And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a retro effect in Photoshop. Let's open a new image, give it a new name and it will be unlocked. I'll copy it once so that we have the original as backup. And now I'll select the model. We don't have to be perfect when we make our selection, as we're going to apply a threshold afterwards anyway. So let me just speed this up. If you have never selected a model out of an image, you will find a specific video about that via the description link below. So we're done. Let's give it a layer mask. There is something in the center that we need. So I'll activate the brush tool and paint with a white color on top of it. Click on select and mask, increase the radius a little bit and okay. Next thing we need is the threshold, so adjustment layer and threshold. I already like it with this level, but you can adjust it over here. Now we need another adjustment layer, solid color. Now we're going to make it yellow, orange, something like this. Press OK. And we want to apply it only to the model. So we need a new blending mode. But at first give it a clipping mask, right click clipping mask and then multiply for the blending mode. I'll copy this adjustment layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then I'll drag our layer mask while holding Alt on top of it, and then I press Ctrl I to reverse it so it is only applied to the background. Now I'll activate the rectangular marquee tool and I'll make a selection in the middle. I'll activate the paint bucket tool, but let me inverse the selection, go to select and inverse because I want to have it on the right side. Have a black foreground color and then click on it. It will be applied to our layer mask and thus made invisible. Another solid color adjustment layer with the black color, and as long as we have the selection still activated, it will be automatically applied to a layer mask. We can now add some details, for example a rectangle with no fill and the yellow stroke. Maybe I'll increase the size of the stroke a little bit. You can do so over here, for example, like 10 pixels, that should be fine. And now I'll type something into it, like retro style, something like that. Select it all and give it a yellow color. Reposition it and then resize it over here. Maybe I'll copy it, pressing Ctrl J, and then I activate the type tool again and change it into style. Maybe that looks good. I'll select both while holding Shift and clicking on both layers, and then I can reposition both at the same time. And that's our final result. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.